Welcome back guys and girls to a new video. Today we will be unboxing something that I just got. It is the latest TWS i80's AirPods version 2 replica, if I'm not wrong. These are exact copies of the AirPods version 2, and today we will be unboxing and taking a closer look at them. Hopefully you guys will enjoy. So without further waiting, let's start the unboxing video. So taking a look at the box, you can see in the front we have the logo or the picture of the AirPods themselves printed onto the front. It looks exactly like the versions from Apple, the versions 2. Taking a look at the back of the box, we have the AirPods, again, image printed on the back with the case open. And to the bottom left, you guys can see that it says TWS with charging case and also in other languages. And to the right of that, we have a made in China logo or stamp. And all the sides of the box are white without any printing on it. There are no Apple logos or anything saying that it is Apple. So taking the box now and unboxing it, you guys can see the AirPods themselves in the charging case. Gonna put that aside. And inside the case we have a lightning cable, charging cable, and a user manual. And this is the AirPods themselves. This feels pretty good right now, and you guys can see the AirPods themselves inside the charging case. Now let's just take a quick look around the case. This is the back of the case. It looks pretty good with the shiny thing over there, but it does not have any Apple logo or branding. Now let's take a closer look at the AirPods themselves. Let me just get my camera to focus here. Sorry about that. So taking a closer look at the AirPods themselves, this is the left side. It has an arrow to indicate that it's the left side, and this is the right side. You guys can see that the holes and everything line up with the version 2s and they look perfectly the same. This is technically a one-to-one replica. And taking a look at the bottom of them, this is how the AirPods will charge up in the case. These are the connectors that will link to the chargers underneath the case. Taking a closer look on the case itself, we have a LED in front to indicate that it's charging. And the back, again, you can see the grill over there that is shiny, and there's a working button underneath that, exactly the same as the case of the AirPod versions 2 by Apple. And this case does use a lightning cable to charge. I don't know how they do it, but they do provide one in the box when you buy it. So it does charge up via a lightning cable. Now the AirPods just slide into it perfectly. And once you close up the case, there's a LED indicator that will show up, the green one, that tells you that the AirPods are charging up in the case properly. So yeah, that was it. That was the unboxing video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you dislike it, you can dislike the video. Subscribe if you haven't. I have more content like this coming up soon on my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.